Now let me show you something particular about static. Let's go here to func3. And here we have this external integer v3 is equal to 3. If I make it a static, I'm going to cause an error. That's a static int v3. Static int v3 will only be visible to this func3 source file. It will not be visible to these other source files anymore. That's going to create an error because I'm looking for an external int called v3, and it's no longer going to exist because by making it a static external int definition here, it's going to disappear. And we'll ignore our mail over there. Let's get rid of that. Sorry, folks. Here we go. Let's save this. File, save, and come over here and compile. There we go. Oh, look at that. Unresolved external symbol, v3, referenced in function main. And here's another link, unresolved external symbol v3. That's in the function1 object. The function2 object fails because it has an unresolved external symbol v3, and it cannot go on. It can't do this. There's an unresolved external because v3 disappeared because of this static keyword. We'll delete that back out of there, save the file back, recompile it. Whoops, too far. Recompile it. There it compiled cleanly, and it all runs again. So when you make an external definition, when you make it static, it is only visible to that source file. None of the rest of the code will be able to see it at that point. So that's a way of making a variable somewhat global. It will be global to these functions in this C source, but it will not be global and visible to all of the other functions throughout the program. Sometimes you need that. You don't want to make a variable any more visible than it really has to be. Let's bring our slide back up, and we covered everything in there. So that is static variables and tying together some things about externs and how they're defined and declared. I hope it was some good information for you. So let's move onward.